In the last tutorial, we talked about how to preview right inside of Unison or inside of mLearning Studio, either one. Now we're going to talk about how to actually preview on your own mobile device. So I'm going to click on Preview on Own Device, and then I'm going to enter in my email. I can send a secure link if I need to, or just click on the Send, and then it will let me know that it's sent into my email. Now because I can't do a screen recording on my mobile device, I'm going to go ahead and pull up a simulator here. And then it sends me an email with a link. I can go ahead and tap on that link from my mobile device, and it will launch it right within my mobile device. Now with iOS devices or other devices, you can save this on your home screen. So I'm going to tap on Save on Home Screen. Go ahead and name this. And you'll notice that it actually shows an icon which you can change to your own icon. And I'm going to click on Add. It will add that to my home screen here, and now I can launch it, which you can also change. You notice that there's a launching image here, and you can also change that as well. Now the nice thing about this is even though it is a web application, it will launch as though it was taking the entire application and not inside of Safari like it was before. Now that my course has come up, I can run it on my phone itself. Go ahead and exit out of it. It'll take the full screen so I can see more of my real estate here. Access my table of contents at any point. Access the glossary at any point. Flick down, flick up to access different content. Access the narration, as well as click on Next and back. I can also go to landscape mode and then back to portrait mode, which will automatically adjust to those different modes. With videos, if I tap on it, if I'm on a phone, it'll automatically take the full screen of my video, and I can use the controls from my phone, whether it be Android or iPhone, and still swipe back and forth to my different pages. With my quiz, here's my true or false. Hit check answer. There's my feedback. I can go on to the next question. So here's my multiple choice. Hit check feedback. And now it will give me a quiz results and allows me to also review my test if I had that option selected. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the device to the iPad so we can see the same course in iPad format or in tablet format. So it's the same URL. So it's the same URL that I can log or access from my iPad or any other 10-inch tablet. And now I get the persistent index on the left-hand side that I can use to navigate to the different pages. Also, play my video instead of taking the full screen. It will just play in the window with the option to go to full screen if I want to. And then here's my quiz. As well as my quiz results. So that's how you preview it on your own devices, and then you can always close it from your devices and then go back into Unison. So the next thing we're going to talk about is how to get feedback from people reviewing your courses.